Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to find sophisticated vocabulary written and used by real writers on the internet. To do this, I'm going to be using Google mostly and Google's news functions. Here's how we start. First, you're going to type your vocabulary word into Google's search bar. Today I'm going to be using the word symbiotic. Now, I want to, again, find only writing by people who know how to write. And I know that journalists know how to write. They're often paid to write. So I'm going to click on the news button to find only articles written by journalists. Now, I want to further search for a more representative use of the word on a day-to-day basis. A daily, how do people use this word on a daily basis? To do that, I'm going to click the Tools button to the right. And where it says sort by relevance, I'm going to change that. I'm going to change it to sorted by date. And this will get rid of all of the relevance algorithms, the algorithms of Google's related to the topic, and make it more about this is what people are writing right now immediately using this word. So from my list, I see a bunch of bolded versions of my word, which tells me that that is how somebody's using it. And in some sentences, I want to make sure to avoid finding this word in a headline. I don't want to see the word in a headline. You want to find a sentence in the text where the word is used so we can see how the word is used in a more real-life setting. So when I find an article, I'm going to click on it. But before you do that, you might want to look for really good writers. And you could limit your search further by looking for words from a source, like, for example, the New York Times. Here's how you do that. Right after the word in the search bar at the top of the screen, type in the word source, colon, and then in quotation marks, the source. So in this case, I'll type in New York Times. And this will limit my findings to New York Times articles. So once you find an article with a full sentence using the word, click on it. And now you don't have to read the whole article. You can just search for the word on its own with a command key, some keystrokes. On a PC, you can click Control F, or on a Mac, you can click Command F, and then in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see a dialog box where you can find the word. So I'm going to type in symbiotic, and there it is, right in the middle of the article. Now, from here, you want to highlight it, copy, Command or Control C, and now you have a sentence written by a professional who uses this word. I hope you found that helpful.